Truly very windy out today. Today we are at Mumbai Surf Club, which is located in Virar, very close to the Rajodi beach. I think one of the coolest cafes, has a good vibe into it, and actually me, my family and my friends, we were here before also, and I think this is our third time visiting the Mumbai Surf Cafe, and let me show you the place. It's truly awesome. There are multiple activities and much more things to do. Even the best part is the food. Let's go, guys. One more thing, if you are into surfing, or if you want to learn surfing, they have all they have the guides available, the surfboard, life jacket, and all the things. I just had a talk with the person who teaches the surf, how to surf. He has a good knowledge about waves and the technique, and the best part of surfing is you don't even need to learn how to swim. That's what he said. And the whole cafe itself has a raw look and feel to it. Every time we come to this cafe, it feels like we are in Goa. Trust me. Surfboard. Hanging lights which you see are all handmade, DIY kind of stuff. Everything out here has been crafted by themselves only. Oh, hi. Hi. We also have our cold coffee and chocolate shake. Have a look at the menu. They have multiple options, but one thing is that they are only into breakfast because it's a cafe. So you can't have your dinner like chicken biryani and noodles and everything. But just have a look at this. Currently we are at the cafe zone. So this is the cafe zone out here, and the surfboards as shown before. This is the surfboard area where they teach and guide you how to surf. Campsite, they also have a campsite which I'll show it to you in some time. Another cool part for many of the young people out there is the skateboard. They also have a skateboard ramp, a small skate ramp. Broken heart. It's a big deal out here in Virar. There are many small things. Apart from all of those, we personally like is this, the TT table. What do you call it? It's an aim board. Yeah. I have ordered for omelette sandwich and chocolate shake. Broken heart. चाहिए?
पहले तो
ओह, एक अच्छी टेक्निक है. पहले पति खाए. That was very hot. Somehow you bring me up. Simba. Campsite. You can come here, chill out with your friends, grill some chicken. Barbecue is also available. So this is the whole campsite. can also do some bonfire. Everywhere you'll find these coconut trees all lined up. Whenever you are in Virar or very close to the Rajodi beach, come and visit this place. Trust me guys, ऐसी जगह हमें हमेशा चाहिए थी in Vasai Virar, and now it's here. Whenever you're done with the cafe or you know, you had your food and everything, you can just enjoy this long stretch of Rajodi beach. This place is very good at its ambience. It's pet friendly. मैंने बताया कि it's very pet friendly, so you can also expect few dogs here and there. तो यहाँ पे
फिलहाल नहीं है कोई,
अभी तो फ़िलहाल है नहीं, बट छोटे छोटे पपीज़ आपके पैरों पे आके आपको गुदगुदी करने की कोशिश उनकी रहेगी.